Oh, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, we can see that there is not much movement, volume, activity in the market and market, you can say, let's enter the Christmas holiday mode. And as we all know that during the Christmas, and actually right before the Christmas, until second week of January, the market prefers to stay silent, market prefers to stay in a holiday mood. So we can expect the market will remain like this for the next couple of days and weeks. You can see here gold is flat. Outlook for 2020 appears bullish. Gold is flat and gold will remain flat for the next couple of days and weeks. So my dear friend, if you're a beginner, you should avoid. If you are not much confident about this type of market, you should avoid. And if you prefers to follow the trend of the market, if you're a trend lover, then obviously you should avoid this type of market. This type of market is only suitable for those people who prefers to scalp, who prefers to trade on from level to level. Okay, but right now we can see the market is also not respecting the levels properly, so as a result it's better to avoid if you are a disciplined trader. And yes, you can expect a normal market again by the second week of January. And as a result, obviously I will not be bringing regular videos because in this type of market, okay, there's nothing much to analyze or nothing much to say. For example, we can see the right after the market opening, market made a high of 2033 and right now market is standing at 2022. So logically, okay, we have a good buy position around 2010 to 2, sorry, 2011. This is the logical level where we have FIBO 50% retracement level. And as you can clearly see, the market is not respecting the previous lows properly. So as a result, we can expect that if market breaks the previous low, we can expect a bounce as a scalper, as a day trader around 2010, 2011. But apart from this, I don't see we have a any logical trading opportunities. In case market goes up, then obviously we will get a selling opportunity around this particular level here, 2050, 2045, 44. But right now we can clearly see the market doesn't have the strength, okay, to go up to this level. So in case market goes up and reverses, we can look for a sell position. And yes, there's a high chance the market will remain like this. That then obviously you should be careful. And one more problem with this type of market is that, so as the volume is low and low volume markets are easier to manipulate, so as a result there is a problem of unexpected spikes also in the market. Unexpected spikes means that there is a problem that you may feel that market is going up. After taking a buy position, you'll see a sharp price rejection and you'll be trapped. Maybe you'll see a drop in the market, you'll take a sell, and you'll see that after a few seconds market coming up again and you'll be trapped. So in this type of markets, in this type of market condition, market manipulation is very common. So as a result, okay, if you trade also, try to go with a lower lot size. And the best thing will be to avoid the market completely, because it's time to give spend some quality time with your friends and family. After all, we are traders, we are not gamblers, and we traders have a personal life, and you should give the time to your to the people who loves you or whom you love. So let's wait and watch, and if anything happens, then obviously I'll come to update. Till then, bye bye, take care.